Hello viewers, today I will tell you how to turn on Bluetooth on your Windows computer. With Bluetooth, you can link your mobile phone and transfer data. So, let me show you how to turn on Bluetooth in Windows.
First, you need to connect your Bluetooth device to your PC.
There are two ways to turn on Bluetooth. Go to the Start menu, open Settings, click on Bluetooth and Devices. From here, you can turn on Bluetooth. You can also turn on Bluetooth from the Quick Start menu. Open Quick Start, click on Bluetooth, you can turn it on here. In Windows 10, you can turn on Bluetooth from Quick Start. Open Quick Start. From here, you can turn on and off Bluetooth. And you can also turn on Bluetooth from Settings. Open Taskbar and search for Settings. Here, click on Devices. From here, you can turn Bluetooth on and off.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more updates.